সাত ঘাটের কানাকড়ি প্রবাদ প্রবচন অর্থ কি? অকিঞ্চিৎকর সংগ্রহ। অড কি? কোরাস গান। অন্ধ হলে কি প্রলয় বন্ধ থাকে? পংক্তিটির স্রষ্টা সুধীন্দ্রনাথ দত্ত। সন্ধির প্রধান সুবিধা কি? উচ্চারণের সুবিধা। কুইনাইন কোন ভাষার শব্দ? পেরু। মেঘ এর সঠিক সমার্থক শব্দ নয় কোনটি? পাদপ। আকুঞ্চন এর বিপরীত শব্দ প্রসারণ। সম্পূর্ণরূপে বিবেচনা করা হয় নাই এমন এটিকে এক শব্দে প্রকাশ করা যায় কোন শব্দে? অসমীক্ষিত। লৌকিক ছন্দ কাকে বলে? স্বরবৃত্তকে। কবিতা পত্রিকার সম্পাদক কে? বুদ্ধদেব বসু। শুদ্ধ বানান নয় কোনটি? কৌতূহল। নিত্য পুরুষবাচক শব্দ নয় কোনটি? জমিদার। রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুর রচিত নৃত্যনাট্য কোনটি? চণ্ডালিকা। বিদ্যার লোক সকলের শ্রদ্ধার পাত্র এটি কোন ধরনের বাক্য? সরল বাক্য। গ্যালাক্সি শব্দের বাংলা পরিভাষা নক্ষত্র বীথি অথবা ছায়াপথ। রোহিণী কোন উপন্যাসের নায়িকা? কৃষ্ণকান্তের উইল। স্বভাবতই মূর্ধন্য স হয়েছে নিচের কোন শব্দে? আষাঢ়। নিচের কোনটি মৌলিক শব্দ নয়? গায়ক। নিচের কোনটি বিশ্বভবনের উদাহরণ? লাল, নাল। ট্রান্সলেট ইন্টু ইংলিশ। লক্ষ্য করো ওখানে পানির গভীরতা অনেক। নোটিস দ্য ওয়াটার ইজ ডেপথ দেয়ার। The term ACARS is related to airplane, which is the tributary of the river Podda. Purnobhava. Account holder deposit is a liability for the bank. In which year International Court of Justice was established? 1945. Who is the president of European Central Bank? Christiana Lagarde. Which of the following is the largest site in the list? Jetabyte. Econo- Ecolonomy is associated with green economy. What is the capital of Hubei province? Wuhan. Mojibiars has been decided to be celebrated jointly with UNESCO. Name of the Kobe Bryant's term was Los Angeles Lakers. The word robot comes from robota meaning artificial intelligence. Stephen Hawking was director of research at the Center for Theoretical Cosmology. The Currency Museum of Bangladesh was established in the year 2009. The full meaning of BEFTN is Bangladesh Electronic Funds Transfer Network. Which is the first privatized bank of Bangladesh? AB Bank Limited. Contact lenses are made from polyvinyl chloride. A place for sick people who need long period for recovery is called sanatorium. Which of the following properties of a monitor is measured in hertz refresh rate? In a computer, text would convert letter into binary format. In MS Word, pressing Ctrl plus E will center alignment. There is 60% increase in an amount in 6 years at the simple interest. What will be the compound interest of Taka 12,000 after 3 years at the same rate? 3,932. A system of equation is shown below. x plus 1 equals 6, x minus m equal 5, x plus p equal 4, and x minus q equal 3. What is the value of L plus M plus P plus Q? 2. What would be the measure of the perimeter of a square whose area is equal to 256 square centimeter, 64 centimeter? In the figure of AB equal 8, BC equal 6, AC equal 10, and CD equal 9. Then AD equal 17. Mr. Ronaldo can finish a task in 20 days and Mr. Messi can do it in 30 days. With help of Mr. Saleh, they did the job in 10 days only. Then how many days are necessary to complete the task by Mr. Saleh alone? 60 days. Kaushik earns taka 11 for each ticket that he sells and a bonus of taka 2 per ticket for each ticket he sells over 100. If Kaushik was paid taka 2400, how many ticket did he sells? 200. If x equal 10, which of the following has the minimum value? 2 minus x. When 4 is added to half of a number, the result is 14. What is the number? 20. The difference of two numbers is 11 and 1/5 of their sum is 9. Find the number is 28 and 17. If a to the power x equal b to the power y equal c and c to the power z equal a, then value of x, y, z is 1. The length of the side of a triangle are in the ratio of 3 to 5 to 6. If the perimeter of the triangle is 70, what is the length of the longest side? 30. How many 7 will be passed on the way when you count from 1 to 100? 20. P sells a product to Q and makes a profit of 25%. Q sells it to R at a loss of 20%. If R buys it for taka 140, what price did P pay for it? 140. বন্ধুরা, ম্যাথের কোনো প্রশ্নের সমাধান যদি চান তাহলে কমেন্ট সেকশনে জানাবেন, অবশ্যই সমাধান করব ইনশাআল্লাহ। A garden of 100-meter length and 60-meter width was a walkway of 2-meter width on every side. What is the area of the garden in square meter excluding the walkway? 5376. Which one is true for the mathematical expression 2 to the power n plus 2 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 2, 3 by 2, 2 to the power 30 plus 2 to the power 30 plus 2 to the power 30 plus 2 to the power 30 equal 2 to the power 32. 40% of 200 is what percent of 160? 50. What is the value of n if 8 minus 3 whole into 8 minus n equal 40? 0. If y by 1 by y equal 3 half, then 1 by y plus z equal 7 by 60. Mr. X lost a wallet containing Taka 120. Incidentally, he had only notes of Taka 2, Taka 3, and Taka 5 denominations in the wallet. If the total number of note was 30, how many Taka 5 denomination notes did he has? বন্ধুরা এই প্রশ্নের উত্তর 15 এবং 18 দুটি মনে হচ্ছে। একটা কনফিউশন সৃষ্টি হয়েছে। আপনার কোনটি হচ্ছে অবশ্যই কমেন্টস সেকশনে জানাবেন। The world leaders are not indifferent to the spreading of coronavirus across the world, which is the correct sentence. What is your pretext for opposing me? The article is used be for Philippines. Antonym of the word resolute is vacillating. The question tag of let's go out for a walk is shall we? He refused to attend the meeting on the ground of his illness. What is the meaning of the phrase carry the day wind? The word urban is related to manners. Etymology is a branch of linguistics. Epigram is a short poem that does not exist more than 6 lines. Who is the author of Pride and Prejudice? Jane Austen. Who wrote Ode to Skyly? John Keats. The show this weekend promises to attract an every greater number of people than the last one. Man is still a glut in the labor market. Why is it difficult to dispose of waste? Those the correct sentence. The meeting was adjourned for a week. The miscreants must be found and tried as this has gone beyond the usual vandalisms that can happen in school. Translate into English. সে কি এই খবরটা পেয়ে থাকবে? Will he have got this news? If the bus to the airport had not been so late, we would have caught the plane. The comparative degree of the word prettiest is prettier.